Hi, boys and girls. This is your old Uncle Alan, aka Diebulfrog79, and this is a pen light for under $10. It's not very strong, about 5 or 6 lumens, but it gets the job done. And if you lose it, it doesn't cost your arm and a leg, and you get to see things quite clearly in a small area. Freaking out the AI. Okay. Nothing dangerous. It's a pen light. Okay, today's other video. Let's see. The Caveman Challenge. In the Boy Scouts, we had this little challenge that we cook food without using utensils. Only thing you had was the food, a fire area, fire pit, and that's it. And you had wood, sticks, twigs, charcoal, whatever out there. And depending on your scout troop or leader, or if you're urban, rural, suburban, you had a little leeway. So for this challenge, is anybody who wants to do it. All right, but I think LA Prepper needs the help if he wants to survive in the woods like Uncle Alan. Easiest thing I know, Steve Foco. Hey, Steve. He did this. I did this. We used to bake potatoes in the ground under hot coals. You know, you don't need aluminum foil. You just dig a hole next to the fire. You put your potato in there, not too deep, just enough dirt to cover it up. You put the hot coals on top and let the natural heat cook the potato in the dirt. Easy as pie. Number 2, not fire, coals. Okay? Charcoal, wood coal, red hot, burning. Okay? You throw the meat on top of it. And here's a hint. Not on fire. Okay? Especially the caveman chicken or caveman steak. If you throw in a fatty caveman steak into the fire, you have a burnt piece of steak. Or worse, flaming chicken on hot coals. Easy as pie. What I tell a lot of people is to skin the chicken first and then throw it on the hot coals. Then you douse it with lots of butter, pepper, onion powder, a little bit of salt, not too much. Okay, that's easy to do. Third one, easy to do, is to roast corns in its husk. You get green corn in the husk, take out the fiber, the little tassel, take that all out, strip it down, clean it all out, put it back together. Make sure you soak it in water. I always soak mine for about 30 minutes inside the husk, then put it on the coals. Remember, 30 minutes first, and put it on the coals. That way you don't have, look, Mr. Sato or Uncle Al, the corn is on fire. You don't want to have that. You want nice, delicious roasted corn. And the easiest way to do that, peel off the burnt husk, and what do you got? Roast corn. Add a little butter, little cheese, maybe mayonnaise, some spices. I like Mexican spices on my corn. And that's roasted on hot coals. Just make sure you turn everything, except for the potato, which is in the ground over hot white coals. Okay, and that's the Caveman Challenge. Cook food without utensils. Easy as pie. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button. Yes, Uncle Alan still got the frog. So anyway, like and subscribe. Enjoy. Catch you guys later.